Hello students, welcome to Sanniska English High School. Today we are going to start Standard 1st Subject Grammar Lesson number 1, Fun with Letters. So let's start our study with fun. See students, here I have written capital letters as well as small letters A to Z. Let me show you. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These letters you are already knowing, right? Same way, here I have written small letters. So, without wasting time, let's start our first exercise. Question number 1, circle the odd one out. Dear students, do you know what is odd one? Odd means different. So here we have to circle the word or letter which one is different. See, in this first question there are 4 letters Z, C, B and F. In this C, B and F are small letters but Z is different. Why? Because Z is capital letter. So we have to circle Z. Same way in second question J, O, K and S. Here J is small, O is also small letter, S is also small letter but K is capital letter, so K is odd one. So we will circle on K. Same way in this question Q is odd one. Isn't it easy, right? It is very easy that we have to circle the odd one out. Now, let's go to our next question. Match the columns. In this, there are 2 columns. Can you see these 2 columns? In one column, there are small letters and in other column, there are capital letters. We have to match them nicely. We have to match small c with the capital C. We have to match small k with the same capital letter K. Very easy. Let's do it. See here. Small c we will join with capital C. Now small k we will join with capital K. Now small f we will join with capital letter F. Same way J, same way L, same way A. Now have you understood which one is capital letter and which one is small letters? Now let's do our question number 3. Write the letters in correct order. You all are knowing A to Z, right? Here I have written all the alphabets of A to Z, but they are not in correct order. So we have to write all the letters of A to Z in correct order. See. Here first we will write A. What will come the next letter? Yes, A after B. Now it will come D? No, now we have to write C, then D, then E. Speak with me A to Z fast. F, yes, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. Now what will come? Yes, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Very good. So now A to Z we had known. Now we have to write the missing letters. Okay, you all have studied maths. In maths you all have done before numbers, after numbers, between numbers. Same way here we have to write before letters, after letters. Now see question number 4. Write the missing letters. Okay, so let's write the missing letters. Here in the first question there is O dash Q. What will come between O and Q? See in this ABCD. O dash Q. What is there? Yes, P. But here O and Q are the small letter. So we will write P also in small letter. O, P, Q. Now K dash M. What will come between K and M? Where is K? Yes, K and M. What will come? L. But we will write L in small letter. Now this is very easy. A dash C. What we will write? Yes, A, B, C. Same way X, Y, Z, J, K, L, U, V, W. Let's recall out. Here, first of all, we have studied capital letters and small letters. Small letter A, small letter B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. After that, we have studied circle the odd one out. In this, we have circled the letter which one is odd or which one is different. Now, in next question, we have done match. You all are knowing to match, right? We have matched small c letter C with capital letter C. Same way we have matched small letter K with capital letter K, small letter J with capital letter J, small letter F with, yes, capital letter F, then small letter L with capital letter L, then A with A. After that, we have studied to write all the letters of A to Z in correct order. We have written all alphabets in correct order. A, B, then D will not come. So, we have written C, then D, then E, F, G, speak with me, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Butter on a bread? No, now no butter on a bread. Now next question. Question number 4. Write the missing letters. So here we have to write missing letters of alphabets. Here O is there and Q is there. So what will we write? Yes, P. But what was the instruction that I had given you? Yes, if the O and Q are in small letters, we will write P also in small letter. O, P, Q, K, L, M. What will come after A? Yes, A, B, C. What will come between the X and Z? Y. X, Y, Z. J, K, L. U, V, W. Now we are going on our next question. So our next question is question number 5, missing letters. We have already learned how to write missing letters in between. Now we have to write missing letters before. See here. Here dash R S. Now we have to write here first before letter. What we will write here? What will come before R? See, here I have written ABCD for you. Here, what will come before R? Yes, here it is Q. So, we will write here Q. Same way, dash F, G. What we will write here? What will come before F? E. So, we will write here small letter E. Why we have written small letter? Because our F and G is small. So, we will write E also in small letter. Now, here U, V. Now, you all will guess what we will write. What will come before U? Yes, see here. Yes, T. We will write here T. X, Y. What will come before X? W. So, we will write here W. What will come before J? See here I. So, we will write here I. And what will come before I? This one is H. So, we will write here H. This is the missing letters. You all have understood the missing letters. Now we are going on our next question. It's very easy. Question number 6 is rewrite the words in capital letter. Here we have to write the same word, but we will write this all letters, these all alphabets in capital. You can do it, right? So first letter is D, R, U, M, drum. We will write drum in capital letter. First we will write D capital this way. Then we will write R capital this way. Then we will write U capital this way. And then we will write M capital this way. Drum. Now our next word is ship. S-H-I-P. Same way we will write first S capital, then H capital, then I capital, and then P capital. Now do it by your own self, fast. C H I L D. Same way, here we will write capital D, capital E, capital S, and capital K. Desk. Now nice. N I C E. Here man. Capital M, capital A, capital N. C A T. Cat. Next word is X. We will write A X E. Then fan. F A N. P O T. Pot. So this way we can rewrite all small letters in capital letters. Now have you understood how to rewrite the letters? Question number 7 is match the first letter of each fruit with their small letter. So here you all are knowing A for apple, B for banana. Yes, okay. Same way we have to do A for apple. So we will join A with apple. Now B for, yes, which letter is going to start with B? Orange? No. Mango? No. B for, yes, this, banana. So we will join B with banana. O, orange. M, where is M here? Mango. So M we will join with mango. And which letter is start with P? Pear. So we will join P with pear. So this way we can match first letter with their fruit names. Now our next question is question 8. Here we have done A from apple fruit name. Same way now we will do with body parts. H from hair. Yes, so we will join H with hair and E with eye. So now let's recall again. Here first of all we have done missing letters. What will come before R and S? Q. Same way, what will come before F and G? E. What will come before U and V? T. Same way, dash X, Y. W, X, Y. I, J, K and H, I, J. Now then we have done rewrite the words in capital letters. So here all the words are in small letters that we have converted in the capital letters. D, R, U, M, drum. Same we have written D in the capital, R in the capital, U in the capital and M in the capital. Then our next question is question 7. We have matched fruits name with their first letter. A for apple, B for banana, O for orange, M for mango and P for pear. Same way, in last question, we have matched the first letter with their body parts. H for hair and E for eye. Now, I hope so you all have understood this lesson very nicely. We have done A to Z, we have done capital letters as well as small letters, missing letters, we have written rewrite and in capital letters. Now, I hope so you all will do very nicely this lesson in your homework book, and let's practice it. Thank you.